Okay, so here is my exercise routine for my first week back, really getting into it and trying to lose weight now. So my first day was Sunday, and I did 3 sets of 20 reps of bodyweight squats. It took me 11 minutes, and then cardio, I did the trampoline for 4 minutes, then I boxed against the heavy bag and the ball bag, and then I jumped back on the trampoline for another 4 minutes, and that equals 8 minutes total, and then I do the whole thing of the boxing after that again. So that whole little routine took 11 minutes and 22 seconds. The total time for the workout was 22 minutes and 30 seconds. That was my first day back. I had been already doing like some bodyweight exercises, so I was able to do 3 sets. If I started from scratch, I would not have done 3 sets. I probably would have only done 2 sets. So that was day 1. Then on Monday, day 2, I did push-ups with my 10-pound weight vest. I did 3 sets of 12, 11, and 10 reps. I did 1 set of dips. That was 5 reps. That routine took me 20 minutes. And then cardio, I did more punches. Instead of 48 punches, I did 72 punches on the heavy bag. And then again, 24 punches on the ball bag. It took me 11 minutes and 22 seconds. So the total time for my Monday workout was 31 minutes and 22 seconds. Tuesday, I did bodyweight exercise. I did pull-ups. I did 3 sets of pull-ups. Pull-ups are hard, especially when you're overweight. And so I did 4.5 pull-ups my first time, 3 pull-ups the second time, 2.5 reps on my third attempt. That took me 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Then on cardio, I did the same cardio as I did the day before. That took 11 minutes and 30 seconds. And total time for the workout was 24 minutes, which is very reasonable. Got to get it to work, you know, so doing it in the morning, I don't want to spend too much time, so I'm trying to keep everything under 40 minutes. As I progress and I increase my time, I really don't want to go over 40 minutes if possible. So then on Wednesday, I did abs, right? I did parallel bent leg raises, 3 reps, excuse me, 3 sets, and 12 reps. And I also planked for 55 seconds down here. So I've been doing planking, you know, for a little while. So 55 seconds isn't bad, I guess. If you're just starting out, you're not going to do 55 seconds. If you're just starting out and you're planking, you know, you might do, I don't know, you know, 20, 30 seconds, something like that. And I never work out too hard. I never push myself too hard. I just go to 80% of my max. You get stronger over time than 90% of max, and go from there. You don't want to get hurt. You don't want to pull any muscles or anything, so you want to go nice and slow. Total time for the workout was 14 minutes on Wednesday. My Thursday exercise, I did shoulders with the 10-pound vest. I did 3 sets of 12, 11, and 10 reps. Took me 12 minutes, 24 seconds. Then I did the same cardio workout. That took me 11 minutes and 15 seconds. Total time for the workout was 25 minutes and 9 seconds. Then on Friday, I did bodyweight legs, bodyweight squats, basically, which was 3 sets of 20, 20, and 20. And that whole routine took 15 minutes, 35 seconds. I did the same cardio as the other days. That took me 9 minutes and 50 seconds. And then total was 25 minutes and 25 seconds. So then for the week, what happened was, you know, my exercise routine. So over those 6 days, I did a total of 85 minutes and 14 seconds of bodyweight exercises, and I did 55 minutes and 19 seconds of cardio. And I lost 3.4 pounds for the week. I went from 211.6 pounds to 208.2 pounds. But the reality of the situation is, the reason I lost that weight wasn't really because of my cardio or my workout routine, which, as you can see, was very light. The reason was because I started fasting for the week, and I stopped eating at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My last meal was up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm going to do another video on my diet and my eating habits to show the real reason that I lost the weight. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't be a dumbbell like me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And good luck in your weight loss and fitness journey. Have a great day.